What's up, you guys? Thank you guys for joining in for another video. Today we start off the video a little bit late, kind of been at work since the morning, but right now I am going off on my delivery route to go fill up the Evo with the gang of parts and special orders that came in. So you guys are going to accompany me in that. Right now we're going to start this video off with the full tank challenge, and I don't know exactly what I can get done with the Evo and the GTR today because today is kind of hectic with the remodeling. So today is phase 3, picking it up where we left off on the remodel of the shop. So let's go ahead and continue that. Let's go put some gas, take the Evo, fill it up with a bunch of parts, and all right guys, so today's mission is to fit today's load into the Evo. Can we do it? A couple remark deletes for the FRS, Cusco coilers for Corolla, tank coilovers for an IS, PR intakes for the 10 Gen Civic, some more shift knobs and some spacers, and of course another Tomei for a 350Z. Make sure you guys hit us up for those parts. Let's go ahead and load things up. Just like that, guys, we were able to fit all the stuff inside of the Evo, which is good because not only that do we get all of our special orders in, you guys get your guys' parts, but we also get a break in the clutch on the Evo. And make sure you guys always wear your seatbelts. Keep you guys self safe, keep you guys parts safe, and everybody's cool. So other than that, we're gonna fly on our way back to the shop, call you guys, your guys' parts are here. We got some new items in also, so we're gonna post that. So make sure you guys follow us on social media if you guys haven't already. Just look up that and look for this sign, Oma Motorsports on Instagram, and give us a follow and drop us up on YouTube if you guys haven't already. Other than that, let's go ahead and go. All right guys, so packages are delivered. Now we move on to the Evo. Today our goal is to install the APR side mirrors to get rid of this look, which I think will look a lot better with that whole APR with the spoiler and change up that whole mirror thing. So let's go ahead and take these old ones off, get the new ones on there. Day three of remodel. Operation Remodel.
Big trust day.
So we're waiting for a guy to bring in 3 new showcases that are going to help us rearrange some other stuff, but today we were able to accomplish breaking down most of this stuff here, got it all the way to the back, extended this, got the seats up, kind of move everything around, and yeah, we were making room for the more showcases to extend some more stuff. So let's go ahead, and that's where we're at. Today's progress. Go ahead and show you guys those APR side mirrors for the Evo. Look at fresh. Super tiny and super hard to get used to at the beginning, but once you break it in already, you are straight up ready to go. APR carbon fiber side mirrors to go along with the APR big wing. Look at that. And the installation wasn't hard, so it was very easy to do. And then you guys just save the rubber piece that comes off the stock one when you guys do these cars. That way it fills up the gap a lot easier. But just look at how that looks. So much better. It ties in everything, in my opinion, to flow a lot better. You know, got some more parts still coming for it, for the Evo. I still need to continue to get the side visors, maybe wrap the top black. But nonetheless, we're going to continue on. So the Evo gets a break today after getting it used and abused the last 2 days. And today we take home the GTR. Right over there, so I haven't driven the GTR in a minute, but yeah, let's go ahead and move it to the garage. Be good. So yeah, let's go ahead and turn this baby on, and I think we're right around 400 or no, 360 on miles since we've put in the new clutch, so we're almost there. If you guys are trying to get an NRG set up or any type of things, make sure you guys hit us up for that as well. We carry a lot of that in stock. I'm gonna update the boost gauge to like an AM or something, but I'm gonna get the pods that actually stay up in the center or side mount. I'm not sure exactly what I would do yet, but that'll be like the next like interior mod thing that I would care to do. You know, that'll be pretty good. But you guys can see the side mirror how it looks. Just a little something to get used to if you guys wanted to get some of these. Make sure you guys hit us up for all of your APR products. We got you guys covered on that. And yeah, we will go from there. But yeah, let me just go ahead and retire the Evo for today. Looks pretty hard. I have a lot of fun driving this car. I have lots of fun.
That's usually how Chris talks on a daily basis, guys.
He's not as cool as he seems on Instagram. He's actually quite a douche. Chris is Chris douche.
Well, maybe if your car actually worked with the button, and then you wouldn't have no problem.
Drew, what if I throw this mango at your car?
Gio wants to throw mangoes at the Evo. So we are approaching the end of today's video. Thank you guys for joining in. We're gonna get the Evo locked up. Everyone's going home. And day 4 remodeling continues tomorrow. Look at that Supra, McLaren, chilling. Ooh. Is that a Tome? Just look at that side pick though. Look at those APR side mirrors though. And the APR weight. Side profile pick chat.
Who's that guy, Chad?
Who's that Pokemon? I think he's nervous. It's all on video, so if he fucks up, we got the proof. Look at that front end though. Sick. Alright guys, as we enjoy this is where we say peace. Thank you guys all for the countless support. We'll see you guys tomorrow 9 to 7. We do it all over again. Hit the sub button, share it, watch all the Instagram stories, and hit that like button. Hey. We'll see you guys in the next one.